Let's make a nice looking soup can. In Blender, make a sphere, then make a soup can. Mark seams on the top faces and on the sides. Make 3 materials and assign a different one to all 3 parts. Find a Campbell soup unwrapped kind of texture on Google, slap that on the side of the soup can, and fix it in UV editing. Find a top of a can texture, slap that on the top, fix it, and you got yourself a can. But it looks kind of bland. Add a
So,
bump node to each of the textures to give it a bit more character. Then go online and look up some imperfect transparent textures like rust or dirt particles or kind of a leaking texture. Then go into texture paint. Make a new texture and make it a stencil. Then just paint. Remember to save your image. Now you got yourself a neat soup can. A nice soup can.